Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
and
Matt
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. 12,700 subscribers. Why have we got the young Matt here?
We've got the young. Well, we've all met Matt before. We did the big intro with him, so Matt's been with us. Jeez,
over a month now. Can you believe it?
Feels like 10 years.
Yeah, some days it does. Matt's background is very numismatic based, so we always said we were going to introduce, when Matt came across this Numi flavour to Bullion Now, and we've set up Matt's Corner.
Oh,
welcome.
I don't know what we're going to call it.
Do we need a theme song for Matt's Corner as well?
Yeah.
I'm sure you can come up with something, Joe.
Fantastic.
So
Very cool.
why don't you give us a bit of a spiel?
Okay, so basically, I dug these coins up out of a box in Michael's office. He told me that our customer base are not so interested in this kind of thing. And I said, Michael, you might be surprised. And I think what you're seeing here is the third full restocking of this cabinet.
Oh, really?
Since the start of the week when I started putting these out.
Really?
And yeah.
So they've been selling really well.
They have indeed. I'm not surprised. Michael's been shocked. But
I have, to be honest, I didn't think they'd be as popular as they are.
That's fantastic.
so they sort of crossed the line into that numismatic collectible area, but still whilst retaining a primary bullion flavour. So
Very
you're paying
cool.
a bit of a premium. There is a GST component to these coins. A lot of them are quite a bit more labour intensive to produce.
Yep.
You'll also see these little circular marks on the coins. A good example is this 2-ounce one here. So they're referred to as privy marks.
Yep.
So they usually did these to commemorate different events or different, in some examples like this, different coins. That's an old spade guinea from the late 1700s. So that's a bit of a nod to early Australian coinage.
Very cool.
When we were using the coins from other countries to facilitate trade.
Yep.
So there's a little bit of history to be learned here as well. So if you're ever in the area, drop on by and I'd love to have a chat about this kind of stuff.
Fantastic. That is good. Well, that's exactly what we needed. We needed a Numi guy because we have like ultimate Numi guy here.
Oh, yeah, right.
Because you had run for a long time a numismatic side of things, and then you decided to come over to the light side
Yeah, that's right.
and get into the actual bullion, the good stuff. And now we've got this guy, a lovely happy medium in between.
Yeah, best
And
of both worlds.
he's already doing a stellar job.
He is. And he's right. These are a great crossover between your bullion, standard bullion coin, what we consider to be the new kind of numismatic sort of stuff.
Yep.
And this is kind of halfway between. So you're getting the bullion flavour, but just with a numismatic twist.
Fantastic. Well, welcome again.
Thank you very
It's
much.
Good to have you on board.
Glad to be here.
Customers are loving you. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
And from...
Me!
And from me. We'll see you soon.
See ya.
See ya.